check. Yeah. December 31st, 1999. Fighting crime in a time where these criminals come a dime a dozen. So cousin, I suggest you beware of depleting atmospheres down to their last layers. Unaware such a feat could take place, people face this taste of toxic waste that they displace. Now amazed and confused, didn't know how they abused the things that they took for granted and misused. Now it's inevitable, unable to control this global black hole. My whole soul is consumed by grief and despair. Why can't people learn to care about guerrilla warfare and chaos everywhere? It gets to be too much, I can't feel what I touch. It's got me leaning on a crutch. Now it's such a disaster, it's only getting faster. When so many die young, so many die bastards. The standards of a society far gone, we may die, but